That's pretty. Look at these. What's on top of my nylon? Oh, just like a
Because I was very
what I got. I made some new progress.
I made some more progress last night. Look at that. And I got the borders. So good. Let's pick outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. I feel like a princess again. It's exactly 10 and we're ready to head out. Where's Blossom? She's matching with me today. Some protection, guys. Don't forget. Done. Wait, we have to head out. Heading out. We're here. There's like a greenhouse or oh wait, no, that's for people can go.
That's pretty. That's like the cafe manor. Walking, we're trying to find the place I want to go and do stuff. Pretty here. We hear the birds chirping. We're by the lake. I guess I'll settle there for now. This is where like the carriage is, and that's like a house. Look at this beautiful water. Water sprinklers. Just the path water is so cute. And I finally figured out where the pond is. Just saw the sign for it, so I think we should be there soon. It's pretty here too. That's like the garden down there. But I don't know where the farm is. Not in the garden. It's pretty. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. Yeah, that's pretty. This is so pretty. Don't be alarmed because you're safe. Look at that. It's pretty. The chickens are over there. Over there are the chickens. There's so many chickens. Look at these. Look at them. Is this the food? Oh, I have money. Money. This. Oh my god. That was stupid. Oh, I did not know. Okay, that was bad. We do. Didn't know it flies out like that. Okay, let's go over here. Oh my god, not them all flocking. Great, there's an, well, I have water. I have water, come. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I'm sitting there for a while and do some homework. Oh, there's a bird right here. Look at that bird. I just noticed that's a birdhouse. Oh no, look at that cutie. Oh my god, that's so cute. But I have to write like 3 paragraphs about this place. So I'm gonna get this done, and then one part of my summer assignment will be done. Oh, my eyes look like it's watering. Like, I'm not crying, but my brother did not follow my grandpa, and now he's like calling for my grandpa. Like, Relay told you to follow him. Like, why are you not following him? Like, this is so pretty. We're gonna go to like the entrance zone, and then I'm gonna have my mom pick us up in like 30 minutes. It's first tripping. I need to use the bathroom, so we're gonna walk there. Out there in like 10 minutes, maybe or 5 minutes. We not actually know the path we came in from. It goes this way. We'll see. I think it is the entrance, and the bathroom's supposed to be here nearby. I'm calling my mom because I want to go home now.
Here to the bathroom.
That's like where the cafe and manor house is. Really pretty. This is a bathroom, right? I feel so crazy. This is the bathroom. Crazy. This door is broken, so they put a shower.
This is gorgeous. Look at this. It's such a pretty color.
When it comes to the gift shop. Okay, let's see. Really pretty. So pretty. This is where I used to sit. So pretty. A personal fan. It's been 40 minutes and I'm still waiting for my mom to come home. Or not come home, pick us up. Called her at like 12:30 so I could go home. Oh, she might be here. I see her phone call. Finally home. We were there for an extra 1 hour. I was gonna come home like an hour ago, but my mom had delivery or something. So she couldn't pick us up. So now I'm home. I'm tired. But I still have to clean my room still. Because it's officially 1 week countdown till I leave. Oh my god, crazy guys. But I'm so excited for vlogs in China. Feels like I'm like there for like a semester for school.
Sorry guys, my eyes are kind of puffy because I was reading this book from Korean. It was so much. Yeah, that's why I'm crying. But I'm gonna go eat lunch. I'll bring you guys along.
It looks so creepy. But yeah, let's go. Doing this like dough thing again, but this time not in an ice bowl. New projects in the back. I'm gonna go get my glasses and I'm gonna go work on the pasta again. Look at this, it's so long. I made some new progress, but not that much. Like you could barely tell I did much. But that's it. I have to go clean my room again. It's 4 o'clock, so we have to officially go back to cleaning out my closet. And maybe, you guys, in this area. I'm gonna actually. Oh, we only have 7 days. And I'm working tomorrow and Saturday, so. So yeah, we actually have to get on this and finish cleaning. And pack. Packing will be another video. 10 videos coming up. Guys. Guess what? This was on top of my Nyan album. I don't even know if I fit into this anymore, but this was cute. It wasn't bad. I shall try it on, so maybe I can bring it to fun. It feels like a little sick. I'm sniffling a lot. Really hope it gets better. And I put away the leftover clothes, and maybe I'll clean up that place today because it's only 4:30 right now, so I still have like time. I'll rest and edit some videos right now. Cook fish today. I haven't cooked fish in like a long time. Let's see, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna wash the fish first. Just washed it. No, we're going for sauce. No, I have to turn on some water. Oh, I want to buy a cookbook so bad. Like my least third cookbooks. Smells good. Ooh. 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 Sunny side up. Sunny side up. Oh. Stuck. And it's almost done. Right, this time it's so much. Dinner time. Big food. Oh, sunny side up. Ice cream cake. There's some food balloon. Oh my god, I took the whole thing off. Oopsies. I'm gonna go enjoy this and watch my dating show. It's called Live and Love.
Guys, I have to go shower, wash my hair. I actually haven't washed my hair in a long time. I'm gonna go wash it, and hopefully I could clean that area before behind my bed I showed you. Hopefully I could clean that up. Or like tidy it a tiny bit. Because I have work tomorrow, so I might not have as much time, or I should go wake up earlier. But also have quite a few vlogs to edit today because my videos are like a few days behind from when I first filmed them, so I can have some leeway when I go to China. Like if some days I don't edit, like then I wouldn't be too behind because I can make them up whenever I'm free. So it's good. But tomorrow's the first day of new vlog. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm really hoping I can make it big soon. Guys, I washed my hair and I just put this so like my hair just like not drip on my dress. But now I'm gonna go wash dishes. Today I didn't film that much. I don't know. I was just taking like a day off today. Like I did some stuff, but then I got tired. So I was like, oh whatever, we'll take a break. I forgot to do a haul of what I got. What I got from
I can't stand the thought of you, even from your point of view. I'm there by the soul, there's no going back.
So I thought I had cash, but apparently I did not because
It's the things you chose to do. Countless nights been crying
I was
out for
only
you.
supposed to spend $8
Never came through.
$15 minimum for credit card.
Yeah, you never did.
Yeah, that's kind of my story too. Like we have a 50.
Yeah, you never did. Never did. Yeah, you never came
Then I
through.
have to spend an additional $8 and $7. So I did.
'Cause I can't stand the thought of you, even from your point of view.
This was the
You know
first
what
thing I
you
wanted.
did, and you despise
So I
yourself.
got that. And I got.
Why do I
This
have
was the
so
only thing that
much
was
to
This
prove?
was $5.
Wasted times
What else
been
did I
thinking
actually want that?
you never came through.
Oh, maybe that was the only.
Yeah, you never
Oh
did.
no, I wanted to get this and this.
Yeah, you
one.
never
I don't know why
did.
I got it. Oh, I
Never
kinda had
did. Yeah, you
Well, it's
never
on that
came through.
one from China. But it's cute. And then I picked up a magnet. It's not that good looking, I have to be honest, but there wasn't really anything else I wanted. And this one's actually maybe the best purchase. My brother picked this out. I actually did not see this. And you know how much it is? It's $5. The small cat I got from Europe, like this tiny, was like $13. So yeah,
that's it for my haul. Thank you. But hi Mimis, this is gonna be the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out my old videos and check out my new ones coming out tomorrow. And I love you all Mimis. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, comment anything. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.